Once a soldier, always a soldier. The uniform may be hung, but the spirit of service never fades. In Ladakh's breathtaking terrain, where the mountains stand tall as silent witnesses to courage and resilience, the bond between the Indian Army and its people is unshakable. Here, service doesn't end with retirement. It evolves into a lifelong commitment to nation building and community upliftment. Military discipline and physical fitness shape our soldiers into lifelong contributors to the nation. In Ladakh, over 6,649 ex-servicemen, 40 Veer Naris, and nearly 923 widows spread across remote villages and bustling towns like Leh continue to play pivotal roles in shaping the region's prosperity. For the Indian Army, these heroes are not just part of history, they are extended family, deserving support and respect. The Fire and Fury Corps takes immense pride in nurturing this bond. From the remote outposts of Chushul and Neoma to the vibrant communities of Leh and Kargil, the Corps organizes ex-servicemen and Veer Nari meets, pension adalats and veteran rallies. These events are more than just formalities. They are platforms where concerns are addressed, sacrifices are honored, and solutions are crafted collaboratively with banks, civil administration, and record offices. At the heart of these efforts lies a commitment to ensure that no concern is left unheard and no veteran or Veer Nari feels forgotten. Every year, the Fire and Fury Corps organizes landmark events that honor the legacy of Ladakh's heroes. The 25th anniversary of the Kargil War, celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas Rajat Jayanti, was a grand tribute to the courage of our soldiers. Days like Sharkila Day, Siachen Day, and Razangla Day not only celebrate bravery but also strengthen the enduring connection between the army and its people. In the challenging terrains of Ladakh, healthcare is a priority. The ex-serviceman contributory health scheme ensures medical access in remote areas like Padum, bringing care to even the most inaccessible corners.
2 बार हर फौजी का जो लोकेशन में होता है सर, उसमें हमारा जो गाँव वाला जो लड़कियों को कोई भी होता है मेडिकल का फैसिलिटी होता है सर, तो हमारा एक्समेन वाला तो बहुत फैसिलिटी होता है उधर जो टीपटी होता है सर, तो गिफ्ट भी हम देता है सर, फिर हमारा जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगा सर वो पूछता है सर.
National integration tours offer opportunities for Veer Naris and veterans to explore employment avenues and broaden their horizons. The recent tours to Delhi, Chandigarh and Bodh Gaya have opened new doorways for many, reinforcing the Army's commitment to their welfare.
2001 के अगस्त को मैं इंडियन आर्मी में भर्ती हुए और 2018 अगस्त में रिटायर हुए. तो फिर हमने 17 साल जो है फौज में रहे, तो फिर काफ़ी अच्छा रहा जो हमारे जो है सर्विस के दौरान. तो फिर बहुत अच्छा लगा फौज में जाने के बाद कि हर चीज़ की डिसिप्लिन होता है, आपको हर चीज़ में सिखाया जाता है कि खाना पीना कैसे रहना, सेना बातचीत करने का हर चीज़ जो है बहुत अच्छा डिसिप्लिन रहता है फौज में. तो फिर हम जो आने वाले जनरेशन को यही कहना चाहूँगा कि आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फौज में भर्ती हो जाइए, क्योंकि फौज एक ऐसी संस्था है जो आपकी हर दुख सुख में काम आते हैं. आज हमें ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मैं रिटायर आया हूँ, मुझे अभी भी बहुत गर्व फील महसूस होता है, क्योंकि हमारे जो नज़दीक के यूनिट जो रहते हैं वो हर टाइम हमें इन्वाइट करता है, तो फिर वहाँ यूनिट में जाते हैं, बातचीत होते हैं, तो हमारी जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम है वो यहीं पे सोल्व हो जाता है घर में बैठे.
Empowerment lies at the core of the Army's mission. Women empowerment centers in Leh, Nimu, and other regions provide skill development courses in weaving and tailoring for Veer Naris, widows, and dependents of ex-servicemen. These initiatives enable financial independence and self-reliance, ensuring that every woman connected to the Army has the tools to shape her own future. Fire and Fury Corps, in coordination with Rajya Sainik Board Ladakh, identifies the real requirements of veterans and Veer Naris and addresses them.
आज ये रैली में आके बहुत अच्छा लगा. ब्रिगेडियर साहब उसके मिसेस ने हमें प्रॉब्लम, इसके टेंशन क्या है, क्या आपको नहीं बना, इसके बारे में पूछा, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Each story of support reflects the Army's commitment. When Veer Nari Sonam Yangris, wife of Naib Subedar Rigzin Targis Sena Medal, requested a solar water heater system for her home in Nimbo village, her need was met with care and promptness. From providing employment opportunities in welfare organizations to addressing individual concerns, the Fire and Fury Corps stands as a pillar of support for every veteran and Veer Nari. They are given priority for employment in canteen service depot, army goodwill schools, community radio stations, and other welfare organizations. Our veterans are the bridge between the army and the Ladakhi community. Their insights help channel the army's efforts into meaningful initiatives, from enhancing village infrastructure to supporting educational opportunities for children of ex-servicemen. The sacrifices of our soldiers and Veer Naris form the foundation of our nation's strength. Their resilience inspires us to strive harder. Their dedication reminds us of our duty, and their legacy lights the path for the generations to come. In Ladakh's timeless landscapes, the bond between the Indian Army and its extended family continues to grow stronger, embodying the spirit of service that defines our nation. Here, the journey of service never truly ends.